What I like about AGC is it's the first time that someone has put together kind of all the different aspects of networking. They involve a little bit of networking with an activity, and that allows you to really get to know someone new. It breaks that ice and creates conversation. There's always a guest speaker. You're going to take away a lot of motivation and a lot of great information from the people who speak here. I appreciate that I can meet people in person here, and then I'm not just turning to the same old tools like LinkedIn to meet up with them where I'm just another message in their inbox or I'm just another view on their profile. Instead, I can connect with them on AGC, online, getting in touch, messaging, being able to look at photos and videos of the events. When you add all those things together, there's no other networking platform that combines those elements for the investment that this takes.